Welcome back everyone, Melissa here. Tonight we are going to install this beautiful fire ring. Check it out.
All right, so this fire ring is about 38 inches in diameter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dig a little hole in the yard over there, take the topsoil and the sod out, put some crushed limestone in, but I also have some landscape rock that I can put around it, kind of a little round retaining wall, just one course high. Those blocks are about 6 inches wide, so I'm thinking we need about 4 inches in between the fire ring and the rock. So I did the math. I need a circle that's 60 inches in diameter to put in that yard over there. And I think I just thought of a really quick way to make a perfect circle in the lawn.
Okay.
I think I have the stuff in the garage.
All right. I would use a hula hoop, but we'll see what you have.
If you have one 60 inches, I'll use it right now.
Check my,
5 footer.
I'll measure it.
5 foot hula hoop. Could you hula hoop when you were a child, Melissa?
Yeah.
Can you do it now?
I'm sure.
We'll have to see that sometime. But boy, what a nice evening, huh?
It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. Low humidity. I'll take another one of these, please.
So that worked really well. I have some of those form pins in the garage, and I was going to use just a string tied to it, like in a loop, tied around the paint can to get my 60-inch circle. And I thought, you know what, I got a bunch of those 1x3s, drilled a 3/4 inch hole in one end, and then a circle, half circle on the other end for the paint can. Perfect circle. Well, close enough for these purposes.
Okay. Just waiting on Mike Morgan. Okay, this isn't how I imagined the pool will be dug, but I have him in training.
Man, is it dry.
It is dry for around here. Especially this area, it's pretty soppy.
It is so dry, it's unbelievable.
Do you want the pin out?
Yeah. We go back and forth.
Ugh.
Hit yourself in the mouth.
Yeah, really?
Uh-oh, we're hitting rock already, Melissa. Okay.
Okay, you're the guy for that job. I'm gonna go check on dinner.
And Archie.
Oh yeah, Archie.
All right, I'm gonna be digging out here. right, I'm getting there, but it is getting dark right now, so I think I'm going to shut her down, go in and get a little bit of dinner. Then when I get home from work tomorrow, we'll wrap this little project up. It's now 6:30 a.m. on July 4th, and it looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. I was going to finish this little project up the other night, but kind of got involved with some other things, getting ready for the fireworks show that we'll be live streaming tonight. But anyway, this morning it was like 10 after 6. I didn't know it was that early, and I told Melissa, so you know what, I'm going to go out and do some mowing before it gets real hot, get some things ready for tonight. And she's like, it's only like 6 o'clock or something. And I was like, and she's like, don't go out mowing. So I said, you know what, I'm going to come out here and finish up this fire ring. I need to do that anyway. I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but this ground, it kind of slopes this way. So up here on the high end, I'm down about 3.5, 4 inches. Down here in the low end, maybe about 1 inch. I just need to clean up what I have in there, level it up a little bit better, then I'll bring some 2A limestone up and put in there. The ground is so hard because it's dry. I actually thought about the other night, I should have put the backhoe on the BX 23S, but the time it would have taken to do that and then take it back off because I don't need it for a little bit, I can just do this. I'm trying to clean up this edge now. Digging board just kind of breaks through these roots, loosens it up, then I'll rake it out, shovel it out. All right, that's pretty good right there. I am going to go down and get a bucket of 2A limestone. I'll put it in there, make sure it's level, and tamp it in. All right, I got my block. You can probably tell by looking at it, but the top of these blocks here are pretty much flush with the ground, but on this side, the bottom of the block is flush with the ground, and that actually should work pretty good for what we have right here. Like I said, the ground kind of tapers off. Right underneath this little bit of topsoil, we have some shale. I've seen people dig like a sump in the center of these, put clean rock in there to kind of help get rid of some water. But the way this should work you know, just rainwater that hits in that area when we're not using it should just kind of percolate out through this side here a little bit. I think it'll be just fine. And what I'm going to do now is put just a little bit more 2A limestone in there, probably 2.5, 3 inches. Bring that up some and we'll set the fire ring. What do you think, Archie? You don't step on these. Gotta get it centered. Well, there you have it, a quick and easy fire ring installation. And by the way, that fire ring came from King of the Campfire. I will put a link to his website in the description of this video. They sent us that, and also a fire pit grill, which we'll be showing you probably within the next week or so. It's really nice. But yeah, this will work out pretty good. There's all different ways to do this, and obviously this isn't a real elaborate setup, but it looks nice, it'll be functional, and it'll be pretty nice for the rest of the summer and fall to be able to use. But anyway, before I wrap this video up, I want to mention 2 important things. Number 1, I hope everybody has a fabulous Independence Day. And number 2, don't forget, tonight, 9:30 Eastern, we will be live streaming our fireworks show, and it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be a great show. This will be a great one to share with your friends and your family. You can put it on your Facebook page or whatever, but let people know, because I know a lot of towns, their fireworks are canceled for the year, but it'll be a good show. It really will. So I think that's about it for today's video. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.